Welcome back to my channel. I am Megan, and get your chocolate ready because this is home of the chocolate game where you get to have a piece of chocolate. If I mention a TV show or movie or something, we have some chatting to do. So, if you don't like chocolate, then by all means grab something that makes you smile or watch a kitten video. Something that makes you laugh and smile. Okay, where's my cup? I got distracted. Ah! That doesn't take much if you've seen my show before. Okay, so I had so much fun the other day when I did that flip and drag. Where is it? Not flip and drag, like the magic cup where it, the floating cup. And this was it. I really like it. And you know what? It reminds me of that spitting dinosaur on Jurassic Park. There's your first piece of chocolate. Like right here is his head, and then that thing that goes out, Newman from Seinfeld, he spits on him in the first Jurassic Park movie. Anyway, I see his head and then that thing that goes out, and something about the neon green just reminds me of that poisonous spit. So I had a lot of fun doing it. As you can see, I don't have a lot of negative space, not really any, because I filled my floating cup way too full, which I knew at the time I was filling it way too full. But anyway, I was just I didn't really have much white to do the background. Today I have quite a bit of white here at the ready. So, I'm not gonna put as much paint in my cup. I probably should have a little cup instead of a big cup. But we're gonna go with it. We're just going to use a big cup. And I have some colors that make me happy today. This is light blue violet. Love that one. This is turquoise green. I have Payne's gray. And this is like just a craft paint. Like a, I don't know, maybe it's this one. No, that's a craft paint. Just like a neonish green. So, and I think everything's no, I guess not. Basics, Academy, Acrylic, Creative Inspirations. Don't forget about that coupon code if you are interested for Arteza. That is good through December 5th. So I'll link to that in the description bar along with the link. It is an affiliate link, so I get a little bit back from that. But yeah, it's an extra 10%, which always helps this time of year. Okay, I love Payne's gray. Okay. Ooh, those are some pretty colors. And I don't know why I like this neon green so much, but I always just, every time I use it, I just really like it. And everything's mixed with floetrol, 50-50. And silicone. This is looking thick in my cup. I tested them all. You know, it's so cold now. And I have a heater running, but still the paint sits in here and it's cold. And it seems to react just a hair bit differently now that it's kind of chilly. So I may have to adjust my recipe. Although I haven't had any trouble with the way it reacts once it's on the canvas. It seems to do the same thing it normally does. So I may just put one more thing of this turquoise green and then call it a day so I don't have just tons of paint again. Okay, I got a pretty little cup. We're gonna flippity flip sound effects. Bloop. Okay, so let's put some white paint under here. While I'm doing that, I gotta share. I'm so excited. Get your chocolate ready. There is a new season of the greatest, I never remember the name of it. The Great British Bake Off, is that what it's called? I don't know why I can never remember the name of it. I am so excited. You know, when they announced that Mary Berry, if you're not familiar with the show, I do apologize. When they announced that Mary Berry was leaving the show because it was leaving BBC and the two hosts, I was really disappointed, especially Mary Berry. But anyway, I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. And I'm really enjoying this. Is the second season with the new people. I'm actually really enjoying it, I gotta say. And that white's kind of thick. That's fine. It's always good, I think, sometimes when the negative space color is a bit thicker because it covers better. We'll just make sure it's... Okay, so... Holes. I've only watched one. I'm curious, if you're in the UK, this is the second season with Noel Fielding and the new I can't remember the judge's name. Kind of curious when this aired for you guys. Because it seems like there's been like 2 new seasons for us to watch just really recently, so maybe it's on a couple times a year for you guys. I don't know. But anyway, I'm really enjoying it. I thought Noel Fielding was a strange choice. I liked him in the IT crowd, but I thought he seemed like a strange choice for this. But I'm really enjoying it. Helps that they're eating all kinds of yummy desserts, doesn't it? Sorry, I'm singing songs. I shouldn't do that because I don't sing all that well. Oh, look at those pretty colors. I think I might need another hole though. This is not floating all that well. It's pushing the white paint instead of kind of floating on top. Maybe that white paint's just a hair bit thick. Let's drag. More of a flip and drag, I guess. Woo! There we go. Okay. Ooh, I kind of like that. Let's. Shall we torch? Ooh, that makes me think of The King and I. Shall we torch? Boom, boom, boom. Sorry. I may have had a bit too much caffeine this evening. Okay. Let's tilt just a hair bit. Probably not much though, because I kind of like that little design. I might just... You know what? I'm not even going to tilt. But I am going to spread this white out here over the edge. It's super thick. And I don't want cracking. And I might just get it to go over the edge here, but kind of like to like soften this edge. Let's try a straw. Kind of looks neat, doesn't it? I'm going to tilt this way just a hair bit. I know I said I wasn't going to, but ooh. I may regret this. I think I am, so I'm going to stop. Okay, can you see it all if I get it this way? I feel like it just looks like a blob in the middle of the canvas. I need to do something. Let's go over this side. I like it, but it just feels, I don't know, unfinished. I like what it's doing here, though. I think that's that Payne's gray. Okay, I'm going to pause and think for a minute. Okay, I'm going to go off this corner. I'm going to start tilting and see how it does, and let's say if I need to, I can just swipe or something. I'm going to take this off this corner. There we go. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. Just like that. And it's a little bit of purple up here. It's violet. I'm going to kind of get rid of that. What I think I might, oops, do, still some there. That's okay, because I think, I think I want to add some Payne's Gray up here, just wispies. Maybe coming out, that's right here. Okay, I'm going to flip this again. Where's my, you know what, I'm going to try my little Fiji. And just right here maybe. So I don't want much. Well, okay. There we go. Okay. Now, let's stick with the white. Let's wipe it out. Okay. Oh, I kind of like that. Isn't that beautiful? That's just Payne's Gray mixing with the white. It's got that beautiful blue. Tint to it. Okay. I think that might be it. Yeah, I'm going to stand up on my chair and get a higher view. See if I want to take that out further. I might take that out to about there. Okay. Whoa, don't do that. Okay. And then I need to fix my edges, but I don't need to do that on screen. Should I do a second color instead of doing it again with the Payne's Gray? I'm asking like you can tell me, and I'm sure you all have opinions, and great ones at that, that I can't hear. One of these days, I would love to do a live. Maybe when my mother-in-law's here, although I'm going to lose my painting space. Because my daughter's going to be staying in my paint room, so I have to take tables down to put up a bed, so I'm not sure how I'm going to paint. I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, I've always wanted to do a live, but the only time I can do it is when everybody's in bed, and you know, I don't know how many people want to stay up that late to watch a live. Of course, depending on where you are in the world, it may not be late for you. Okay. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, let's go back this way. Okay, I'm going to do just a little bit more purple because I'm kind of liking that. Just a touch maybe right there. Ah, I just put my thing in paint. I ate some paint. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, well, I'm going to do one more thing. Keep thinking I'm done. One tiny, tiny little thing, and then I'm going to call it quits. I'm going to, where's my stir stick for my green? Okay, I'll wipe all these off and wash them anyway to reuse them, so that's one more. Okay. I'm going to do just a hair bit since this is right here. Oh, I think I got my hair in paint. I sure did. Looky there. I painted with my hair. Okie dokie. I am going to call that one done. I just have to go over the edges with the white because it went over in some areas, but not in every area. But let's do some close-ups real quick. Okay. I think I like it this way up. What do you think? I love these little areas. One of these days I should do a whole painting of just that because I love what the drops does to it. You can see the white is a bit thick because it's leaving a texture. Ooh, that's pretty right there. Boop. Focus. There we go. Oop, yeah, so you can see I definitely need to go over my edges. And I will do that here real quick. And we will see you next time, guys. And in the meantime, happy pouring.